Brushes and Bubbly. It's a unique experience created by Hamilton makeup artists Alyson, Elisabeth, and Shonna, Forrest. And they join us with more. So this is kind of a neat, it's a neat makeup party where the guests are actually learning how to do things with their own makeup.
Correct.
Yes, exactly. So we host makeup workshops. So essentially our goal is to provide education to women on how to use makeup, because we both work as freelance makeup artists on our own. And we've always had clients we do their makeup and they're really confident and they love it. And they always say like, I don't know how to do this and I can't do this myself. And we've had clients come to us for one-on-one makeup lessons. And being in our own mid-30s, we kind of found that there was like a lack of fun things to do with your girlfriends in a group setting. So we kind of just combined Brushes and Bubbly, the idea of it, to take makeup lessons in like a beauty party setting.
All right, and where do you do it? Do you do it in people's homes?
Yeah.
We do pop-ups across Hamilton, so we choose different locations throughout the Hamilton area. We also do it in people's homes, so we offer private beauty parties at your house. If you wanted to bring the experience to your house, we will do that. However, we usually do pop-ups throughout Hamilton throughout the year, I would say. Maybe like 5, 6 of them throughout the year.
We'll rent studio spaces and then we just do all the setup and decor and all that stuff.
And I like the idea, you're not selling anything. You're showing people how to do stuff with their own makeup and with their own equipment.
So at the time of registration, we always send everyone a class packing checklist. So items that we recommend bringing to the class, like our goal is that you show up with your makeup bag, everything that you have, your brushes, everything, and we show you how to use those products. If in the event though there is anything that you don't have, that's the reason why we kind of send a packing checklist. And if there is anything you don't have, like we'll send you like brands recommendations that we recommend that you bring. But Shonna and I always bring our whole makeup kit, so we don't want anyone to feel like you need to go and drop hundreds of dollars to pick up a bunch of makeup.
Skill a lot of times, right?
It's
And
a skill.
sometimes it's just having that right brush.
Exactly,
100%.
The tools to do those Lego skills, right?
So you brought a beautiful model with you. Looks like she doesn't need any more makeup, but are you going to demonstrate
we're going to demonstrate kind of how the workshop works. So typically in our workshops, we will have a model at the beginning of the class. Each student will have a light up mirror with them. They will bring their own makeup kits, as Alyson explained, and we will go through and do step-by-step process of how to do your makeup all the way from bare face to full face and even applying false lashes. Now Sheila has most of her makeup done. I'm going to just do a quick little demo on the blush aspect, just to kind of show. So typically in our workshops, we would do, like I said, the step-by-step. I would be up front doing the makeup, or Alyson, and then one of us would take turns kind of walking around and helping the students. So for this one, we're going to be doing like a cream blush. We like cream products because they blend out very nice on your face, easy to blend, they look a little more natural and soft. So typically we'll just kind of do a little demonstration. Grab the tool. For this I'm going to be using a beauty blender, and we're just going to blend that out right on the high point of her cheek. And there's different ways you can do blush. If you smile just lightly, you can see the apple of her cheek. You kind of want to start in that range and then just do sweeping motions upwards. And that's just going to lift her face and give a nice glow. You can see there the nice shine and glow that adds to her cheekbone.
Awesome. Okay, and where does the bubbly component come in?
So obviously any kind of beauty party
it's got to be a party.
That's what we like to call it. So although it is Brushes and Bubbly, we do like to call it like market it as like a beauty party. So we do have mimosas that we offer obviously to all the girls that come, and then we pair it with like light snacks like charcuterie. We did a Galentine's event a couple weeks ago. We did like a whole breakfast buffet bar. So yeah, they're coming for usually 4 hours. So we want to make sure that you're hanging with your girlfriends, you're entertained, you're having a good time.
You got some drinks, you got some food.
Yeah, it's got to be fun.
Okay, and you come away with a new way of appreciating how to do your own makeup.
Absolutely. Yeah, we've got, honestly, like the feedback we've gotten from women, it's been amazing. They feel so confident doing their makeup, and they always say that like, I've been doing this wrong the whole time. So we just want to share our knowledge with girls and just
offer an educational experience for women.
So is a lot of it, is it bridal parties sometimes?
Bachelorettes, birthdays, girls' nights out. Our next one's actually going to be Mother's Day, so we're hoping to get a lot of like mother-daughters out.
Okay. Well, Shonna and Alyson and Sheila, thanks very much. And we'll get all your socials up on our website at chch.com. Again, it's Brushes and Bubbly.
Thank you for having me.
Cheers.
Thank you.